What's going on, folks? This is Kyle Cumberton from Parkway RV. What I got for you today is a brand new 2023 Sierra Destination 420 FL. But I'm not really sure if this is even an RV as much as it is a house some madman ripped off the foundation, tossed on some wheels, and sold under a name. So, like always, what I'm going to do first is toss those specs up on the screen, and then we'll get into it. Alright, so first off, for our total length, that's going to be a whopping 41 feet, 10 inches. We got a height of 13 feet, 4 inches, a dry weight of 11,744 pounds, so you probably would recommend a 1-ton vehicle to tow this, and it can comfortably sleep 4 to 5 people. As for the amenities, it does have a washer and dryer hookup, full coach water filtration, Wi-Fi, a 50-inch TV with a DVD player, all stainless kitchen with domestic appliances, underbelly armor, and ceiling fans. Alright guys, are you ready? Are you ready to see what this Home on Wheels has to offer us? Let's check her out. Alright, so this is an all fiberglass body. It has 4 slide outs, 2 on this side, 3 on the back. We'll just take a quick peek on the outside. See, there is your propane station and your battery tray. If we go outside of this, you'll notice how many windows it has. It has such great natural lighting inside. It's fantastic. Alright, here are our slide outs on the back side. Here is your power input, and then we have our city water connection and our black tank. Our black tank holds about 52 gallons. Our gray water tank holds about 104 gallons, and then our freshwater tank also holds 50 gallons. Look at what a beast this is from the rear. I'd swear you had a train car coming at me down the road if I saw you driving this. Let's check out this pass-through storage under here. It might be a little dark. This does connect up to the under the bed storage in the master bedroom up top. Let me get a little side profile, and there she is. Looks even bigger from this angle. My golly, guys. If we look up there, we can see it has an awning, and it also has outdoor speakers and a porch light, which I really like. These steps coming up feel really sturdy when you first step on them. There's no creaking or ricketiness to them. That's really nice. Open up our door, get our first peek inside of this absolute home on wheels. These sliding doors are 2-pane polarized glass, so they keep a lot of light out. That's really nice, but they also do have these drawstring blinds for privacy. Alright, let's check out the living room first, the entertainment area. So right here we have our theater sofa seating. One thing that cracks me up about these, I don't even know how this could ever be useful at all, but I love it. It's a great little novelty item. And these cup holders, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but if you double tap them, let's see if I can get it to work, they light up. They have small LED rings around them, and on double taps you can turn them on and off. I don't know why you need cup holder lighting, but it's kind of nice, it's kind of ambient, and it's a really good little gimmick. Now we do have this insane, beautiful entertainment section right in front of us. It has a fireplace, and then right above that you can see its premium sound bar with a built-in DVD player. It has storage on either side and a 50-inch TV. And when you don't want to watch TV and you just want to watch the birds play outside, it of course rolls down. I do wish that in a lot of these RVs, the roll down was kind of like a car window, that when you clicked it, it would stay going down after you let off. Because sometimes you have to sit here for about 15 seconds looking kind of silly waiting for your TV to roll up and down. But we do have these 3 really nice big windows, both with all with lighting on top. And then above that you have really nice storage space. Look at that. And there's your Wi-Fi router right there. Alright, over here on either side we have pull-out couches, both fold out into trundle beds. I do also really like the configuration of this living room. It's really cozy. One thing I like to look for a lot of the time in these living room spaces is how hangable they are if you have some people over. So if you have 3 or 4 people come over and you're all in the living room trying to hang out, how comfortable is it? How easy is it going to be for everybody to talk to each other without getting in each other's space? And I think this is just a great little room. You have these 3 sets of seats on all 3 sides, and then of course you have your TV in the middle, so everybody can just kind of congregate around here, and you can watch your movies if you want to, but this would always also just be a really good space to sit and talk and enjoy yourself. I really like this little living room. On the other side also, we have more storage. Check that out. And then the light switches for these little lights up here, right there next to them. Nice and convenient. You don't have to search for the switches. And now another featured area is this kitchen. This kitchen is insane. It has so much counter space for prepping meals and so much storage area. Right here you have storage. That's just your gas, water, heater control. You can put your plates in there. A little bit more storage down here. And this fridge is absolutely gigantic. This is a size fridge that you're going to see in a very nice house, and somehow they snuck it in here. I love it. A big old LG stainless steel. Just look at all this room you have in here. Nice storage. We have are those ice cubes? What the heck? I have no idea how those got in there. Yeah, that's a fantastic, giant, nice stainless steel refrigerator. I'd be hard pressed to think you have one that nice in your own home. We have really nice underlighting on the sink area, and I do really like this separated sink area because obviously you throw these tiles on there and then it acts as another extra prepping space. And I've always just been a sucker for an island. I don't know, I really enjoy them. You can see we have our stainless steel sink underneath that, and one thing that's really impressive to me is this under sink storage area. You know, a lot of times you walk in there and just for practicality's sake, most of the under sink areas are kind of bogged down by the water pumps and stuff, but in this one you have almost an entire space for a full-sized kitchen trash can, which is pretty nice, I think anyway. Over here is your dinette. You have this huge, beautiful bay window right there. I only have the blinds drawn down because it helps with the lighting for the camera. But this dinette is absolutely amazing. I could just imagine sitting here, you drinking your coffee in the morning, You're looking out your bay window wherever you decide to park this sucker and just watching deer or turkeys or just the wind and enjoying yourself. It seems like a really good little area. One thing kind of annoys me about the kitchen, and I know this is a functionality over form thing, but we have this little raised area underneath the appliances, and I have a feeling that could be a toe assassin late at night. So just watch out for that. It's not really a big deal at all, but I just wanted to point it out to you guys because I thought it was a little funny. And here we have huge pantry storage area with slide out cupboards. That is really nice. We have a full-sized microwave and really nice stainless gas range. Oh wow, and some really good space in that oven too. I was surprised. You know, I've been noticing a lot that it's kind of hard to fit a decent sized oven in an RV, and you know, it makes sense. You're trying to be compact and think of space, but that is a really good sized oven for a recreational vehicle. Let's keep taking it down the line. Right here is where your second door is, another polarized glass sliding door. And in here, it just keeps getting more and more impressive, guys. We have our toilet. That is porcelain. We can look up here. We just have some bathroom storage. Nice and simple. And then this shower. This shower is one of the key features to me. I like a nice shower. I always have. I think it's one of the most important overlooked things when you're looking at houses and stuff. So when I'm going through these and I find a nice shower, it gets me really giddy. And earlier, when I was when I reviewed the Prowler, I was really surprised with that trailer. And although it is 12 feet shorter than the Sierra Destination, this has more room than you could ever need. You could sit down in here and crouch if you wanted to and just have some shower thoughts for a while. It's a fantastic shower with a lot of room and also a lot of nifty little storage areas. Also completely stainless steel. Here, let me focus that a little bit. There we go. That's much better. Completely stainless steel in the bathroom too. You have these really nice glass folding shower doors. And then stainless steel and porcelain also in the sink. Let's check what our storage space is under there. Yeah, see, not fantastic, but you could fit some Lysol and some toothpaste under there for sure. And we have a really nice size medicine cabinet where pretty much two people's bathroom equipment could fit very nicely and easily. I don't see how you could have any problems with that. Let's close this door and to the master bedroom. Now, one thing I've noticed is, well, it's really nice. This does have a pretty large bed, but one of the issues is when I'm opening and closing this door, sometimes it gets caught on it. Not a really big deal, though. You have a nightstand on this side, a small little shelf on this side. One thing that always makes me smile is backlighting right behind the bed. I really like the use of backlighting in the Sierra Destination. I haven't seen that in any RVs yet, and I don't know, it just gives a little bit of a nicer ambient lighting to the spaces. Over here, we have your closet area. We can crack that open. It has a lot of nice space. There's your hanging rail up there, and it is continuous, so there is no separation between these doors right here, other than in the last one. There does seem to be a separation, and then there you have some room to fold your clothes and nice easy things like that. Over here is where your washer and dryer connection is going to be. Let's check that out. You could probably fit a compact unit in there. And then up here you have another insane amount of storage space. There you go. I'll tell you what, folks, the more and more I'm looking at these RVs, I'm becoming a sucker for a lot of good compact storage. Just like under this bed right here, that then does go and lead back to that original pass under storage I showed you when we were looking around the outside. One thing I did forget to say while we were outside is talk a little bit about the stabilizers. It does not have electronic stabilizers, but you know, this isn't really the type of model that you're going to be taking out every single weekend, a different place, a new campground. This is a destination trailer, and you know what they mean by that is that you're supposed to take it to a destination and leave it there for a while. I personally think that the trailer itself is the destination. I mean, this is one of the nicest RVs or destination trailers I've walked through in a while. The complete stainless kitchen, I mean, my goodness, this is nicer than most studio apartments you're gonna find in the city. So if you're living somewhere where there's a lot of hustle and bustle and you're feeling cramped up and you just get a wild hair up there and want to get out, get 4 or 5 acres, sit on it and enjoy yourself, you could grab those 5 acres. You don't even have to build a house. You could just grab one of these really nice Sierra destination trailers, and I don't think you'd really have any problems at all for quite some time. I would love to dunk this right outside of a pond, and then you can just sit out in front of these big windows, have your coffee in the morning right here, look out, and just enjoy the scenery. It really is such a nice little destination trailer. And now I say little, but this is probably the biggest unit I've been in by far. Oh, look up there, we can see your ceiling fans. That's just a point. Ceiling fans? What the heck are the ceiling fans in here for, man? It just gives it such a nice, homey feeling overall. Oh, one more thing, I do want to show you the AC vents. So it is a dual AC unit. You have one up here and then one back in the bedroom. So it'll keep the whole big 42 feet nice and cool. Alright guys, I think overall that's the Sierra Destination 420FL. A really great, clean, high-end destination trailer. And yeah, let's take her outside and I'll give you the information that you need to contact us if you feel interested in the Sierra Destination, guys. Let's go. Alright folks, so that's the Sierra Destination, and my golly is it a destination. It has just about everything you could need for more than camping. You could live in this sucker for a good chunk of the year if you wanted to. If you're going to summer somewhere, you bring this with you, you're living for the summer. And not just living, you're living stainless steel. But I just want to give you guys some numbers now, let you know what's going on. So the MSRP price for the Sierra Destination is $87,746. But, of course, we got those deals for you, so we have it on the lot today for $62,900 brand new. It's a pretty great deal on a pretty great dang model. If you guys are interested in it at all, you can, of course, come down, check it out for yourself. You don't have to believe me. Or you can give us a shout at 706-965-7929. Guys, I really enjoyed cruising around the Sierra Destination today. I hope you guys did too. If you need a destination for the summer, come on down, check it out. Otherwise, have a great day, guys. I'm Kyle, and I hope to see you again.